Hello, hello, my amazing artists. Today we are going to be creating our color books. All right, we're going to have some fun learning about our color families. The first thing I want you to do, on the front cover of your color book, I want you to write your name. I want you to write your name right here. Right here. All right. First name and last initial. All right. When you're finished, you can take the time later on to decorate your color, the cover of your color book with whatever your favorite colors, designs, patterns are. Okay. So let's get started inside the book. Aha! Roy G. Biv. Roy G. Biv is the acronym we use to remember the rainbow. If you can remember Roy G. Biv, you can make the rainbow. What are the colors in the rainbow? Starts with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These two colors, let's talk about these two colors. First, indigo is not always in our color packs. If indigo is not in your color packet, you could just scratch it off, cross that out, and you don't have to use indigo. Indigo is kind of like a combination if you mixed blue and violet together. Next, let's talk about violet. Remember, violet is a fancy word for the color purple. All right, so violet is the color purple. When we're looking at our crayons, we can see, let's see. There we go. I hope you saw it. When we're looking at our crayons, the word violet has purple next to it in parentheses. It's because they're the same color. All right. Get to working on coloring in your rainbow. It should look like this when you're done. Red starts at the top. Okay, let's get moving to the next page. Aha! Primary colors. There are 3 primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. You can make any color in the world by mixing these colors plus black and white. So there are the 3 primary colors. Find your 3 primary colors and color in your book like this. Next page. Secondary colors. Secondary colors are created by mixing 2 primary colors together. They are purple, orange, and green. There are 3 secondary colors: purple, orange, and green. Find your purple, orange, and green and color in your secondary colors. Please notice that they have to go in this order because there are other colors here. When we mix red and blue, we get purple. That's why purple's here. When we mix red and yellow, we get orange. That's why orange is here. When we mix yellow and blue, we get green. That's why the green is here. Take your time. Warm colors. Warm colors are red, yellow, and orange. Those are the big three warm colors. They make you think of warm things such as sunlight and fire. Warm colors appear to come forward in a picture. So get out your three warm colors, red, yellow, and orange, and color in your spaces. The last page of our book are cool colors. Cool colors are blue, green, and purple. They make you think of water, sky, ice, and snow, and grass. Cool colors appear to recede in a picture. That means go far away. Get out your blue, green, and purple and color in your spaces. All right, students, now that we're done filling in our book, you can go ahead, go to the front cover if you have time, even decorate the back color with all your favorite colors. Do not color over your name. Remember, your name should be going right here. All right, have fun. I'm glad you learned about your color families.